Hey everyone, I'm Serge. I'm a software developer from Toronto, Canada, and in this video, I wanted to go through getting started with Spacial, which is a way to run Unity games on the web. This is going to be part of a longer series. I'm building a project for a hackathon. It's going to include some Web3 related stuff, and yeah, I've never done any gaming, so I'm really excited to get going. And so to get started, um, I'm going through this installation process, created a Spacial account. I installed the Unity Hub installer, but I think there is a chance. So in Unity Hub, when you open that and you look at your installs, okay, so now both of them are showing up. The problem here is if you want to install a version that is needed for Spacial, which is 3.2.1F, it's not available here. So I had to go to this page, and I am on a Silicon M3 Mac, and so I got the editor and you have to get the WebGL build support. And so the hub here doesn't recognize that I installed it, which I did just now. There's also the Unity app, which I'm a little bit confused which one I need to work with, or if they're the same. Launch Unity. I do have that. Okay, well, let's try and open up a project. So I downloaded the uh, Spacial starter template. Did we unpack it? Yep. So I should be able to choose this project. Oh, there we go. Doing something. Are we going to see it here? Unity. Okay. Resolving packages. Probably going to fast forward through this. This video is actually sponsored by no one because this is my second video I'm going to put out on YouTube. And yeah, there's going to be a lot that's probably going to be cringe when I look back on it in the future, but I want to build a muscle. And so here we are. Thanks for being patient if you're sticking around. And yeah, let me know if there's anything that you would be interested in seeing. I have a couple projects in mind, and I also want to rebuild my portfolio with new frameworks that I haven't played around with. And yeah, I'm seeing this here. Upgrade to the latest version of the SDK. I like that idea. Oh, 326. So I think that matches the version 38. 326. So maybe not yet. But oh, and so I would need to download this. Let's skip for now. And here we are. This is a project. This is a scene, and this is a game. Not 100% sure what I'm doing here. Using the spatial. Okay. So maybe Once the project is open and loaded, you're ready to set up your first project. Okay. So let's move this over. Maybe I should have kept that project running in Unity. Let's try to add it again. Okay. And it's saying settings. Log into my Spacial account. Okay. Copied. Paste it. Logged in as. Awesome. Inside the config tab, new packages can be created by selecting a tab and pressing create button. Space create. Each package has a different configuration panel. Define the contents in each package. Okay. Great. Space 1. Publish. Spacial demo. Package has errors. Well, I'm here. Created a package. Each package requires... Okay, so Sergey, you should be better at reading docs. Active packages. Scene, none. Create a new scene. Let's do that. Ready to test. That's awesome. Test your package and click Test Active Scene. In the Unity toolbar. Interesting. Test active scene. Okay. Here we are. We are moving. This is pretty awesome. Yeah, wow. that's it. Thanks for watching. Yeah, there's gonna be more videos. We're gonna try to add a Web3 login to this guy so that in the future they can select some of their NFTs and play a game. More info coming soon because the info isn't finalized yet. Peace. Thanks.